Hello, friends. My name is Joe Buahin, the CEO of Buahin Farms Complex. Today is 21st April. That's Sunday early morning. I've decided to come and visit my farm. As an Adventist, yesterday I went to church, and as usual, when I get free time like this, I come to visit my farm and see how things are moving. I'm a government worker, so Monday to Fridays are a busy schedule for me. So the little time that I get, I always try to come and see how things are moving at my farm so that I'll be able to put things in order. Suppose things are not moving on well. Let's enter the farm and see how things are moving. As a young man, as a young woman, as a youth, don't be disturbed when people keep talking about how things, how bad things are. Just be in your corner, plan your life, plan your future. Just like the builders build their houses or their structures, they sit down and plan what they want to achieve before they put structures in place. So you should have a dream, you should have a vision, you should set goals for your life. You can be different. Everybody can go broke, but if you want to succeed, if you want to be well, if you want to be financially free, your life can be different. It all depends on how you plan your life. You should invest. Don't use every peso, every cedi, every dollar that comes to your pocket entirely. Save something for investment. Think about what you want to do. Think about what you want to become so that in the near future, if you put in much effort, get it. You're a government worker, don't be all the time. No, even though it may not be as enough as you want it, but saving a peso or a cedi a day or a month will make your life different. You should invest. You should invest. You should save to invest. Now, when I started this farm, it was not easy. Even as I speak, things are not easy because there are a lot of investment that I have to put in. But gradually, things are moving as planned. The animals keeps multiplying, and by the next 2 or 3 years, these animals, the number of these animals can double because of the multiplication effect. God told us to multiply on this earth. So if you are able to use the principles of multiplication, you are able to use the principles of addition and subtraction well to your advantage, life will be easy for you. Starting life is not easy. Starting farming is not easy. Starting any business at all, it's not easy. But if you are determined and you are so focused and you are so positive, you should be positive minded. If you are positive, things will work to your advantage. Now look at the farm. It's not easy, but it's better. I'm hoping that tomorrow, yes, better and future better and my better my better. Let's don't think about your country Ghana. Don't think about the people negative. That's it about Africa general. Think about yourself. How can I make a difference? How can I do this differently so that my life will be a comfortable one? Not stay in your comfort zone. You should so that you can invest the little resources you have for better future. What you have to do now is to concentrate on your basic needs in life. Forget the wants. Focus on the needs. That's the food, shelter, clothing, basic things. The economical, whatever decision you are taking, be focused. Avoid waste. Don't waste your resources. Don't waste your small cash resources and other material resources you have. Focus on something. Dream about something. Think about something. Start something, no matter how small it will be. And by so doing, year after year, you see that things are turning positive for you. Things are turning positive. This animal was born in this ranch. I did not buy it. It was born in this ranch. Now you can see it is it has grown to be a big cow. If you want to cash this one out, you see that I have cashed in a lot of money into the system. Let's start something. Don't talk negative about. I'm controlling it. This is my strength. Why? The stick that I'm using is my strength as far as this animal are concerned. The moment you raise the stick, you move back. So this is Boyan Farms Complex as usual as I said earlier. It is a complex because this farm is going to use modern systems and variety of farm products. So we started with cattle, sheep, and goat. And very soon we will be adding other sectors like fish pond and fish pond and even other crops so that you see that whatever we are doing here is well planned and standardized as a model farm for other people to learn from. So today, as I've come here, if I'm even stressed by going through the farm, the stress will. So sometimes I use it